So this is a deck. We came to wash this house. It's an old house. But the deck is super, super dirty. And we need to do the siding, the back siding, and the side, the back and the side is a small. But look at this deck. This is the dirtiest I have seen a deck before. It's crazy dirty. So let's get to work. Now we've started the process of our cleaning. You can see we are using steam. We are using hot water. It's about 180 degrees. It's quite hot. We're using hot water to clean the deck, and it's coming out real good. So this is the first process. After we've cleaned the deck, you got to clean the deck, blow out the leaves and all that. Then apply solution. Because we need to kill the mold. So we apply sodium hypochlorite first of all. And you can see we are taking our time. It's quite detailed. We are doing the rail. Very detailed wash. And we are done with the process. And this is what the deck turned out to be. I did not go over all the processes, but it looks good. This is what it turned out to be.